Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you collection of harmonious bedside table design and tips for choosing best bedside tables for harmonious and stylish bedroom ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. As we immerse ourselves in the realm of interior design, the bedroom serves as our sanctuary, a retreat where we find solace and rejuvenation. To create an inviting and harmonious atmosphere, every element in the bedroom must be thoughtfully curated, including the often overlooked bedside table. Today, we embark on a journey to unravel the secrets of bedside table design, exploring the rules, Feng Shui principles, and a curated list of 10 exceptional designs to inspire your imagination. How to design a bedside table. Designing a bedside table is an art that combines functionality and aesthetic appeal. To begin, envision the purpose your bedside table will serve. Will it primarily hold a lamp, your favorite book, or perhaps a cup of soothing herbal tea? Once you determine its function, consider the available space and the style that complements your bedroom decor. 1. Size and proportions. The bedside table should be proportionate to the bed and the overall space. It should neither overpower nor be dwarfed by the bed's presence. Aim for a height that allows for convenient access while lying in bed. 2. Storage solutions. Depending on your needs, select a bedside table that offers ample storage space. Drawers, shelves, or a combination of both can keep essentials within reach, maintaining a clutter-free environment. 3. Style and material. The design of your bedside table should harmonize with the overall theme of your bedroom. Whether your style leans towards modern, vintage, or eclectic, choose a material that complements your aesthetic vision. What is the rule for bedside tables? While there are no fixed rules, certain principles can guide you towards a balanced bedside table design. 1. Symmetry. Achieving symmetry creates a sense of harmony. If space permits, consider placing matching bedside tables on either side of the bed, ensuring visual balance and equal functionality. 2. Height and proportions. The height of the bedside table should align with the top of the mattress or be slightly lower. This ensures ease of access and a cohesive visual flow. 3. Coordination with bed. Coordinating the style, color, or material of the bedside table with the bed frame can create a cohesive look that ties the elements of the room together. What does Feng Shui say about bedside tables? In Feng Shui philosophy, the bedroom is considered a vital space for rest and rejuvenation. Here are some Feng Shui tips for bedside table placement. 1. Balance. Feng Shui emphasizes the importance of balance and symmetry. Placing identical bedside tables on each side of the bed fosters a sense of equilibrium and promotes harmonious energy flow. 2. Clear pathways. Avoid cluttering the area around your bedside table. Maintaining clear pathways around the bed ensures a smooth energy flow, enhancing relaxation and promoting a restful atmosphere. 3. Elemental harmony. Incorporate elements that resonate with your personal energy. For example, wood represents growth and vitality, while metal symbolizes clarity and focus. Select materials that align with your desired energy for the bedroom. Is it okay for a bedside table to be lower than the bed? While traditional design principles often advocate for a bedside table to be at the same height as the bed, it is acceptable for it to be slightly lower. As long as the table is easily accessible and aesthetically pleasing, a modest variation in height can add an interesting visual dimension to the overall bedroom composition. And here, these the top 10 bedside table design ideas. 1. Minimalist marvel. Clean lines, sleek surfaces, and minimalist design create a serene ambience. 2. Vintage elegance. Repurposed vintage trunks or antique side tables bring charm and character to the bedroom. 3. Floating wonder. Opt for a floating bedside table to create an illusion of space and a modern touch. 4. Nature's embrace. Incorporate natural materials like reclaimed wood or woven rattan for an organic and earthy vibe. 5. Mirrored glamour. Add a touch of sophistication with a mirrored bedside table that reflects light and creates a sense of spaciousness. 6. Geometric delight. Embrace geometric shapes and patterns for a contemporary and eye-catching bedside table design. 7. Industrial chic. Metal accents, exposed bolts, and raw materials infuse an industrial vibe for a trendy and unique look. 8. Multifunctional marvel. Choose a bedside table with built-in charging ports, speakers, or hidden storage compartments for a seamless and clutter-free experience. 9. Eclectic fusion. Blend different styles, textures, and colors to create an eclectic mix that showcases your unique personality. 10. Artsy statement. Select a bedside table that doubles as a piece of art, showcasing sculptural elements or vibrant colors that add flair and creativity to your bedroom. As we conclude our exploration into the world of bedside table design, we hope you have gained valuable insights and inspiration to create a personal haven that perfectly complements your bedroom's ambience. Remember, the bedside table is not merely a functional piece, but an opportunity to infuse your personal style and express your creativity. Discover the endless possibilities and create your dream bedroom with these exquisite bedside table design ideas. Homes Decor Designs YouTube channel. Dive deeper into the realm of home decor and design trends by subscribing to the Homes Decor Designs YouTube channel. Join our vibrant community and unlock the secrets of creating your dream home, one captivating video at a time. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of harmonious bedside table design ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.